First time seeing a fly. It's their first time. Selena, be nice. Be nice. Hey, 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 be nice. You don't need to kill everything there. Don't be like humans. Look, he's right here. You heard him there. You heard him there. Right. Be nice to him. Hey, be nice. Be nice. No, no. You don't need to be mean to everything. Look, look, look. Look, look, there he is. He's moving around. He kind of like ripped off his fucking legs. Look. See, we don't need to be mean to everything. Okay? Like you hurt him. Why would we want to hurt things? You're missing legs or something. It's okay, girls. It's okay. It's okay. Don't need to be mean. No, no. How about we let him outside, guys? Hey? Hey, partners? Okay, we back up here? Girls, come on now. Okay. The fly is definitely getting a whooping there. Hey! Jesus Christ. Aw, you guys are fucking mean there. You killed it. How can you be so cute and kill things? God damn. You killed it. Oh, shit.